Hi everyone, I will show you how to mute chat on Messenger. First of all, open your Messenger app and you need to hold your chat and tap the mute option. Now you have three options: the mute messages, mute calls, and the both of the messages and calls. Then select anyone and tap done. And you can adjust your time limit. Choose anyone and tap OK and your chat will be muted. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.